Welcome to Cooking with Amanda M. Today we're making chicken noodle soup. Ingredients are a chicken flavored bouillon, tomato sauce, a Sazon Goya packet, vermicelli pasta, chicken breast, 3 small potatoes, carrots, green peas, cumin, bay leaf, onions, garlic, sazon completa, which is complete seasoning, salt, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and black pepper. In a large pot, drizzle some olive oil and turn your heat to medium-high. Toss in onions and saute until they're translucent. Now that the onions are translucent, add garlic, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, mix it up, and add a tablespoon of tomato sauce. You're gonna saute this for about 30 seconds. You don't want this to overcook and dry out. I filled up my pot with 4 quarts of water, which is about halfway. The water does evaporate, so keep an eye on how much you use for yours. Now I add the chicken flavored bouillon. Add half a tablespoon of salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, bay leaf, half a packet of Sazon Goya, which is a couple of condiments mixed together. I'll put the link below so you can find it at the stores, and mix up. With a spoon, I'm trying the broth to make sure that I'm not missing any salt or any seasoning that I need to add to it. And I did need some complete seasoning and a pinch of salt. Now that the broth tastes right, I am adding the chicken and I will cover and boil for 15 minutes. So my chicken is done. It's been 15 minutes and I'm adding the potatoes, the carrots, and I'll cover it and boil for 5 more minutes. Then I'll toss in my peas and I'll break up the vermicelli because it's all stuck together, and I will cover and boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. It cooks pretty quick. Now just add some lime for flavor. And my son is begging me to eat this right now. He likes this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, at all times of the day. It's his favorite dish. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my page to see upcoming recipes on Cooking with Amanda M.